Yeah, so Rafael just left. Yeah, the pork sinigang that he bring here, that he brought here was really good. Next time I am also going to cook something like that. And actually we didn't wait for this to cook. We eat the leftover from yesterday. And it's already 4 o'clock. I'm going to sleep. I'll be there tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is now 9:10 and I'm wearing this gift coming from Sumudu. Yeah, it's very fit. Very fit. A little tight. It is cold today. The temperature is what is this? Yeah, maybe 17 degrees. And I am now preparing my breakfast. Reheating the rice. And yeah, I'm going to reheat this. Yeah, this tuna.
Ayoko. So mas maganda ang kuan, malapat ang
Okay, we are back home. It's already 4:15. Kuya Ruel and Inigo, they're going to their house now. Yeah. So basically, Inigo was calling while I was sleeping. Also, Kuya Ruel was calling me. But my mobile phone is in the computer and it is in silent mode and I am in the bed. So I don't hear anything. Yeah, and Kuya Ruel was knocking on the window and that's how I wake up. Yeah. It is already for 16, 17. We already eaten KFC, but I feel like going out with a bike to have a cup of coffee by the beach. I was editing a video this morning because this morning I wake up at around 4, 5 o'clock and I am day off today, also tomorrow. And then I start, at around 4, 5 I started to do editing the video. And fall asleep again. That's my day today. And sunset is going to be early, 5 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to fold it later when I come back. Oh, I don't know where I'm going to buy a cup of coffee. Oh, 7-Eleven. No, Coles. Okay, we're now here. This is where we are going to buy a cup of coffee in Nero's Gelato Cafe. Okay, so yeah, I got this cup of coffee. Good afternoon. Tatambay lang dyan, nagkakape. Sige. Sige. Yeah, the water playground is there, but not so much people this time. Yeah, you will see that it's quiet. There are a few people around here. They are like staying under the sun like me. It's just good to be under the sun this time. Yeah, not cold, just good. Also not hot. It is now 5:27 and this is how it is now. The sun is setting down on the side, covered by this berry. Yeah, and yeah, it's a little cold this time, but still there are few people that are playing in the water. You see many people on that side, they are walking around. Nice. Yeah, the day is short these days because yeah, sunset is 5 o'clock. If you compared before the time saving adjustment, sunset was around 8 o'clock. You see the sunset's very beautiful. Oh, look at this, there are gatherings on that side because maybe there is food in there. Oh, we're just going to have a quick look along the beach area. And I'm not afraid to try it on my own. I don't care if I'm right. Oh, look at the sun. Very beautiful looking. And I'm not afraid.
Are you filming a vlog?
Yeah, I'm making vlog.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I like your bike.
Yeah, it's good. It's electric.
Oh really? I like the mud guard on it. That's an action.
Oh, this is from Kmart.
Oh yeah, 600.
You can easily take it. Yes,
Yeah, nice vlog.
yeah. Thank you. We are actually going home now. We actually go first to the grocery. Yeah, I don't know what I am going to buy in the grocery, but yeah, we're going inside. So we're going to take oh, it's very less. It's just $2.40, and we are also going to get some of this salad. Oh, this one. It's just $2. This is actually a coleslaw. We are also going to take one of this cabbage. Oh no, just this one. Yeah, just $1.75. We're going to take this, just $1.40. Two of this. Oh, actually, just one, and one of this. We're also going to take one of this soup. There's 3 packets inside, and it's $3. And we're going home now. The jolly there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it's already 12:30 when I left the house, and I was just in my computer editing some video, and yeah, I am now here. And this is how it is at the moment. You can see the water is very calm, peaceful, quiet. There are some cars, of course. Yeah, the water is really calm. You don't see any kinds of wave. Very peaceful. Also, it's not very windy this time. It's just plain normal. Yeah, but it is sunny, and for sure there are many people along the beach sunbathing, swimming. And we are actually going to Salamander Bay. We are going to buy long sleeve, white long sleeve. I will be using that long sleeve in the wedding of John. I am going to Canberra in the coming days. Oh, there are maybe father and son. They are playing basketball. Nice. Yeah, there's very less basketball court here in Australia, but they have many football, rugby court. Nice. This coffee is hot still. Yeah, we were there yesterday and KFC with Kuya Ruel and Inigo. Yeah, Inigo treat us yesterday with that KFC. Okay, we are going inside. Yeah, so I come here because of this white polo long sleeve. They're just $3. No, $12. Yeah, I'm going to take it. This is just right for me. It's small. And do you see this? Do you know that these are the standards uniform around here in Australia? I mean, yeah, most of the company they don't have the company uniform, especially when it is working outside like tradie job. Yeah, those are the uniforms. Yeah, it was just the long sleeve, white long sleeve that I bought from Kmart and nothing else. And now we're going to buy meat pie from here. Yeah, the lady inside was able to convince me to buy this Gatorade. It's okay because I have this coffee. My plan is just to have this coffee and this. We are also going to KFC. We are going to buy the chicken pop. Yeah, we're just going to sit somewhere here. And I mentioned to you before that this road is closed because of the broken bridge. Okay, we're going to leave the bike here. We take my phone, meat pie, and this coffee. After all that we've been through, all that comes to me and you, the patience meant to be forever, you and me. After all, oh, there's two guys. They're walking, so we're getting it. It's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can space it again. Can't stop now. I've traveled so far. Take this love. And we are here again. Yeah, there are many people. They are going to play in the water park. I just finished that batch, and the next batch are preparing. That's it. We are going home now. We are going to edit video and then hopefully to be uploaded tonight. The time now is 4:05. Okay, we are now here in the parking lot. We're going to buy something from this Chinese Asian store. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Oh nice. Yeah, you can see that umbrella. Looks like that is, oh yeah, amazing. They put a table, they put some flowers, and it looks good. Nice. Beautiful. Hard luck. Today I start at 5:30. Me and the chef. And then by 7:30, Mitchell arrives. Seems like I am back to breakfast. Yeah, because the guy that replaced me to do the breakfast is not in the roster anymore. Yeah, I'm actually feeling a little guilty because this guy, he requested to be in the breakfast, and so chef put him in the breakfast. And then the rest of the guys, they are asking me, Robbie, which one do you prepare, breakfast or dinner? And I always say that I prepare breakfast. And then this guy, he said, oh Robbie, sorry, it's not my intention to put you in the dinner service. Yeah, no, it's alright. I said that I'm okay in any schedule, in any roster. I said like that. And I heard the guys today, they are telling me, oh Robbie, you're back in the breakfast again. And I have another story to tell. Yeah, so basically at around 12 o'clock or maybe 12:30, the general manager, he asked me to cook fish for him. Usually whenever I have time, if there is order, yeah, the order is the priority and not his food. And I forgot to make. And by the time I am going home around 2:15 already, I saw him in the cafeteria eating something together with the other staff. And that's when I realized, oh, I forgot to make food for him. Then I go back to the kitchen and making a decision if I am going to cook or no. And I decided no, it's okay. I will say I forgot. We're going home now. We're not going anymore to the marina.